So I'm back searching for some replacement batteries for Mitch's VW, and I ran into some history I thought I'd share. These are the old type of regulators that were popular probably 15 years ago. As you see, they went on each battery. They got a little blinking light if they're happy, and they would all daisy chain together this way like Christmas tree lights, and they had a little control board at the end that if they were happy, everybody wasn't overcharged or under, they would engage a relay. Now, going through these batteries, I found another type like this that I'd never used. This came off of another car. But this was the same type of thing, except that it had a communication wire going with each module. And where is that communication wire? Oh, here it is. So every group would have one of these that sent back to this sending module that plugged into there. Things have changed so much. Now we have these little boards here for a fraction of the price. These guys were running at about $15 a battery. And this guy right here to cover 15 batteries is about 50 bucks in today's money. So, got to find some more batteries to line up with these, and hopefully we can find 8 cells for Mitch's car.